Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick tip and trick on how to unstick the wooden dresser drawers in your home. I found this tip online recently when I had trouble with a dresser that we picked up off Craigslist, and I was like, I wonder if there's a good solution for helping unstick these drawers, because they're a wood drawer on a wood track and they're a pain to open and close. All you're gonna need is some household beeswax. You can find this at a craft store such as Michael's. I'll link to some on Amazon that you can buy if you want. I actually randomly had some leftover mustache wax from my husband that he didn't like. It wasn't sticky enough, which in some ways the oils in mustache wax might not be the best. You really want that hard beeswax, but I found a wax that really, it had enough beeswax content in it that it actually did the job. So reuse, recycle. Great mustache wax, but the normal hold, the original hold doesn't work for Isaac's crazy mustache, so he needs the extra firm hold. So we're gonna use this little guy. You can see I've been digging into it already, and I'll show you how it works. So the first thing I did was grab the drawer that was giving me the most trouble. And you can see here I pull it out and I need to like dump the contents onto the bed. Next, I flip the drawer over so I have access to the rails of the drawer. And you can see here there are 3 main contact points the drawer has with the dresser. And it's the 2 side edges of the drawer. And I just take some wax and I apply it and rub it in. And then I also take some wax and put it on the metal rail that's on the middle, which actually goes onto a wood track right inside the dresser, which you can see here. And I go ahead and apply some wax to the wood track inside the dresser, as well as to the 2 sides where the drawer makes contact. Next, I put the drawer back into the dresser. And there you have it, it actually closed. A little bit of extra wax came out, so I went ahead and wiped that off. And that's it. It's super simple, and I did it to all the drawers on the dresser, and they work so much better now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and let me know in the comments down below if you tried using some beeswax on your wood furniture and if it helped improve the ease of opening and closing the drawers. It definitely did for mine. Okay, that's everything. If you would like to see more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. I hope you have a great day.